Hi everyone, this is the fourth video in this video series and we have an exciting update. We made a conditional offer on a house.
It's crazy. 2 weeks ago we didn't even know what a conditional offer was or what it entails, but here we are currently in one.
Before we get into the conditional offer, let's first talk about some of the things that happened off camera since the last video, which by the way has a lot of information and was very helpful to get to where we are right now. So check out that video if you haven't already. But since that video, it was our time to go house hunting seriously.
Before we went house hunting, we made a list of things to check and ask while at open homes. Because when you're in an open home, it's easy to get carried away and you might end up missing a few things. We might share some of the things that were on our list in another video, but to keep this video short, we are just going to focus on what was involved in making our conditional offer.
So what is a conditional offer? So it's basically when the buyer agrees to purchase a property if specific conditions are met. And you as a buyer determine the conditions and it's up to the seller if they want to accept that condition offer. So here's our conditional offer. We offer to buy the property at $759,000 if these conditions are met. First condition is finance. Our mortgage advisor will tell us if we can afford this property at that purchase price.
Second condition is a LIM report, which stands for Land Information Memorandum. You can order one from your local council, and if you find anything that you are not happy with in the LIM report, you can cancel your offer or negotiate with the vendor. We've been talking to our lawyer about this, and we suggest that you do too, because we're thinking that we might not need a LIM report for this particular property.
The third condition is a builder's report. You organize an inspector to come through and inspect the property. If anything dodgy is found, you can cancel your offer or negotiate with the seller.
And another clause that we asked for is a general due diligence clause. This clause gives us 15 working days to back out of the deal without having to justify any particular reason. This just gave us extra peace of mind.
So what's next for us? Well, we didn't have a lawyer when we first made this conditional offer. So as soon as we made the offer, we went and found one. Well, our mortgage advisor from school recommended a lawyer and we just went with that one. So right now, our school mortgage advisor is sorting out our finances. Our lawyer is looking through all the paperwork involved with this purchase as well as getting our KiwiSaver sorted because you can use your KiwiSaver as part of your deposit for your first home.
One of the conditions we chose was to have a builder's report, so the only thing we have to do right now is find and manage a time for an inspector to go and inspect the property.
But before that, because we are feeling quite confident that we're going to get this house, it's time to celebrate. Probably not the best idea since we're going to put a whole bunch of money down on the deposit, but we wanted to celebrate.
This video series is far from being over, so see you in the next video.